Now let us see the last function of our string, that is called as the instr. This function is actually called as a search function. What actually it does is it returns the position of the first occurrences of a substring in our given string. For example, suppose the actual string is called like informatic practices. Informatic practices. This may be treated as our actual string. So in this string we want to find out whether the word form is present or not. What we want to search? FORM. This particular word is present in this actual string or not, that we want to search. So which function we have to use for doing this operation is nothing but our instr function. It actually takes two arguments. The syntax goes like that. The instr function basically takes two arguments, where the first argument is nothing but our actual string, that is the str is nothing but the actual string. In our case it can be treated as the informatic practices. And the second argument that is called as a substring, means this is nothing but our searching string. So what you want to search in your actual statement, that is passed as your second argument. If the particular word, the second string or the substring is available in our given string, then it gives its occurrence. That means it gives its position value. Like here, the informatic practices is the word. What is the first index position of I? 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, like that it goes on. So if the whole word FORM is totally present in this string, like we can get this word here, FORM, the whole word should match. Remember that. So the first letter where it starts, its index position, it will be given. So in this case it will be giving the result as 3. Okay, but think that if the word is not available in the searching string, like we want to search for form, but suppose we want to search for from in our informatic practices, from particular word or the particular characters are available in this same form, in the same sequence? No, na? Then what it will return? A 0. If the substring is not available within our given string, then it returns 0. This is how the instr function works. So let us see some examples on our MySQL platform itself. So let us take the same word or the same string. Okay, so select. So what is the function name? instr, open bracket, and here you can give the string like informatic practices. This is the actual string that is passed as a first argument. And what should be the second argument? The word that you want to search in the actual string. Here the second argument can be a single character or it can be a multiple characters. That is totally depend upon the user choice. So here first let us try with the word. So we want to search whether form is present in our first argument, that is the informatic practices. Okay, so what actually it will do? If the whole word exactly in the same format it is available over here, it gives the result as its index position where it is going to start. Otherwise it returns 0. Let's see, form is available, right? So it gives the result as 3. Here you can see what is the index position of F? 3. The whole word should match, then only it gives the result. Suppose if it is from, whether from word is available in our first given string? No. So what actually it returns? A 0. So what do you understood with this? Whatever the substring you want to search in the given string, the whole word should match. Then only where actually it starts, it respect to index position, it returns. If it is not found, it returns 0. Okay. Now let us try some more examples. Like instead of a word I want to search for a character like A. Okay, so in informatic practices, how many A's are there? Let's see, here one A is there and here 2, so 2 A's are there. So what will be the output it will be giving? Remember, whenever in your actual string, whatever the substring you are searching, if it is multiple times occurred, then the function will return the first occurrence position of the substring from the given string. Like here, A is present at 2 places. So whose index position it will be returning? It will return only one value as an output. So which index position it will be returning? The first occurrence, means at first where the A is been actually started or first time identified. Its respective index position will be returned. Like here in this case it will be 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is at 7th position. So what the output it is giving? 7. Hope you understood. I'll repeat once again. If the substring what you want to search in the actual string, if multiple time it occurs, then it returns the first occurrence of that substring only. Means at first where it is been identified, that index position only it will return. Now let us see one more example. Like instead of A, if we have R is also 2 times it is there now. First R, then second R. So what is the output it will be giving? It should give it as 5, means the first occurrence. One more, let us take it as I. What output it will be giving? That is the first. See, the first letter of your string itself is being given as the I, and it won't be checking the case sensitivity. Whatever the letter you are giving, either form, either it can be a capital letter or a small letter. If it is encountered, it will be giving it as a result. So this is how a INSTR function will be working. Okay, and suppose the searching element is not present, like Z we take it, or 5 we want to search. Is 5 available in your statement? No. So what should be the result it will be giving as? 0. When the search is successful, means if the substring is available in the given actual string, then it returns its index position. But if it is not available, then it returns a 0. 0 indicates that the search is unsuccessful. Hope it is clear to all. If any doubts are there, you can text a message to me so that I can clarify your doubts. Thank you.